everyone, today we are introducing to you our 6 kW high power handheld laser cleaning machine. Whether it's a large area, heavy raster removal, or fine surface treatment, it can handle it all-in-one solution. This machine features a simple and intuitive control panel, making operation easy to understand. The 6 kW high-power laser output can be precisely adjusted, easy to learn and use. The handheld laser cleaning gun ensures strong and efficient cleaning, flexible to clean both flat and irregular shaped items. Machine is with universal views, effortless to move. Now let's take a look at the cleaning process and the results.
Okay, this is a working demonstration of our 6 kW laser cleaning machine with stronger power, high efficiency, and multi-application versatility. It's ideal for both industrial bench operations and customized cleaning needs. We're ready to provide professional solutions tailored to your needs.